I love. We thought that we lost, but now I see there's nothing better than us. You got me chasing memories just so I can feel you. You got me wishing nothing changed. Oh, I think I need you. I think I need you right now. All we ever get is one life, so I think that we better spend it right. I don't wanna waste one more afternoon being alone and not here with you. All we ever get is one life, so I think that we better spend it right. 'Cause we got way too much time to lose.
Seriku ingin nonton.
Leungit mulai.
Aku salah satu seriku. Gelap mata aku diburu malu.
A mistake, letting us slip away. But let's forget everything that happened, my love, my love. You got me
Apunten, samudayaning kalepatan.
Bagiku 22 September merupakan hari kesaktian dari diriku yang dimana pada hari itu seorang ibu melahirkan saksi pada tanggal 22
Menyapa cahaya.
Sadar malam lebaran Anies berbagi
Monyet ciling cincat buntayan.
way too much time to lose. So let me know if you want me to.
Saya ingat debleng, pasti ingat monyet.
Baik, di penghujung acara ini saya ucapkan terima kasih dan sebanyak-banyaknya. Semoga kita bisa dipertemukan dalam peluncuran buku selanjutnya dari mata pelajaran Indonesia. Saya Jadi Wesa mewakili yang bertugas.